Hello, hello. Today I have one of my Japanese maples that I grew from seed that I'm going to repot. I used a plastic mica pot, training pot, to try to develop it faster. I really don't like this pot. I think that the tree is too small for the pot, so I'm going to change the pot. And this should be easy. I have, if you watch my videos, usually I use wire to hold the tree onto the pot. So I need to find out where the wire is. This is too wet. I don't like to have the soil, the substrate, so wet. Usually for my Japanese maples, when I repot, I use akadama, kanuma, volcanic gravel, moss from the wood surrounding, that moss never comes along. So some volcanic gravel, akadama, kanuma, that helps the soil to stay a little bit on the acidic side, and finally some organic matter that I always add to my substrate mix. to stick this inside of some compost, some soil. I might be lucky. I don't think so because it's winter, but